In this video I will show you how to use the 3D model inspection tools which are designed to check the accuracy of the 3D model. To demonstrate this function I have a 3D model and point cloud data. This feature works with the points visible on the screen. So you can clip point cloud around the area you are interested. Then in the Undet coloring toolbox I select the model inspection option. As you can see in the screen, the point cloud was colored in two colors. Green coloring indicates areas of the model that are closer to point cloud than specified comparison distance, red indicates more distant areas. The comparison distance value you can enter in the coloring settings section. The distance is expressed in millimeters. In this case we can see that the red zones are more than 30 millimeters away. Using this tool you can easily and fast do 3D model quality assurance. Identify missed or inaccurately modeled details. In this example, you can see that this part of the building was modeled incorrectly. You can easily correct this inaccuracy manually or by using automatic feature extraction tools. After correcting the model you can update the inspection feature by pressing the refresh button. Now you can see that the corrected area falls within the 30 mm comparison distance range. After resetting clipping box, the 3D model inspection tool will compare the existing 3D building model, including ground surface mesh, to all visible point cloud points. Get free trial version and try it yourself.